Mommy, look!
I'm supposed to be the one doing the exercise.
I got it yet. Mommy, look at me. Maya, come, let's see the
Even Jaden too.
I'll stay close. Hey, I'll stay closer to you. Stop following me.
Wow.
I'm not following.
Move this way. Stay there. Stay there. Can you move? Both of you. I'll beat you, Maya. Stay. Do.
Look at that girl.
Uh-oh.
Mommy, what's the girl doing exercise?
Oh, that's Amira. Oh, is that Amira?
I don't think so.
Who is that then?
The girl. The girl standing on the shoe.
Oh, wait, I can't see because Maya is standing there.
Wow.
Jaden is just dancing.
Wait, I'm never that.
I'm supposed to be doing the exercise, so see the people that is doing it. Oh, it's not Amira. Good morning. I'm supposed to be standing up with Auntie Monsu and be doing the... But she's doing the exercise for me. The kids, they are doing it. How is everyone doing? Maya is still here. We have not bathed. Our eyes is still dirty. We're going to kind of a bath now and we'll come and take you guys. See ya. What? Yeah, come and go and bath. Jordan and Jaden, can you both tidy up? Maya, downstairs. Pause it here. Pause it. Jordan, where's Maya? Oh, okay. Jordan and Jaden. Jaden, tidy up. Tidy up. Time to tidy up. When I finish bathing Maya, I'll come and yeah. I'll come and get to the two of you.
Okay.
Let's go on. Maya, it's cold in here. Go in the bathroom. Okay? You want me to help you? Come in. Come in, guys.
Yes.
Take a spin then. Oh, look at ballerina, Maya. You like your dress? Who picked the dress?
My mommy.
Your mommy picked the dress. Okay, call the boys then. So I can bath for the boys, okay?
Yes. You don't call Jordan and Jaden.
Call the two of them. People, what you're wearing?
Mama.
Yeah. Jordan.
I'm wearing green trousers and I'm wearing the top that mommy bought for me. It's grey and a bit here is red and white.
Okay. Tell Maya I'm coming to comb my hair. Off you go.
Maya.
Jaden, out of the bathroom now. Upstairs.
Little 8, little 9, little snowflakes, 10 little snowflakes falling. Ten, little 9, little 8, little snow.
Maya, do you want to show the vlog your hair? See, we did Maya's hair.
Because she cut it off herself. I will.
She did edges of her.
Hey.
Don't tell of her. Leave her alone.
Auntie looks like a hairdresser.
I look like a hairdresser?
Yeah, because you plait my hair.
Have you seen your hair though?
No.
Go downstairs in my room and look at the mirror. Okay?
Why are you following me? You're nice.
Good question.
So you can follow me, guys. Yeah, so I know.
Yo, it's quiet, Abby. That's what me too I saw. I was just sitting down quietly next there. I knew they were playing before. I just had suddenly quietness. I was like, what happened? One, Auntie Maya slept off over there. Even Jaden slept. Guess who did not sleep? Jordan. But if 2 out of 3 are sleeping, what is one doing? So I sent him downstairs to go and sleep since everybody's sleeping. And I just dropped Jaden as well. And Auntie Maya's, I drank my, that was a tight that I was putting on my head. I gave it to her because I finished making her hair. So she'll put it on her hair so she's sleeping. So me, I'm going to be here. There's a chance, there's 5% chance that I'm going to sleep.
Don't know what to do with this crazy life triangle. I'm gentle in the streets, but a freak in the sheets. You know you want it. You know you want it. Can I get a pin to your Blackberry? Can I get a pin to your black? Sex is so good you'll never leave, never leave, never leave. You can be my bride. We can, that's all night. Baby, take my hands. Let me be the man, cause I'm feeling you too. I hope you understand. I'm a gentleman. Baby, take my hands. Let me be the man, cause I'm feeling you too. I hope you understand.
You guys remember the room?
Maybe you're adult. Mama. Okay, I'll walk. Maya, come.
Why are you going that way, Jaden? This is clearly the road, but you chose to walk that path. Yeah?
There's a big slide.
Yeah, you can go on it.
Mama.
Jaden,
Huh?
so you have to come back now because this is the road. You make mistake in life, you go back and go through the right way.
Huh?
Yeah, this is the right way. So go on. You want to go back there? You've not learned that you can't pass through? Okay. All right. Okay. Maybe there's always house. Oh, did you win? Who you there?
Mama.
No, I didn't bring the vlog camera, so I don't know how I'm going to do this. But you want to stay there? What do you say?
Say good.
What do you say?
Mama.
Huh?
Mama, stay.
Say please. Yeah. Somebody's scared though. Is it so high? Maya, what happened? Maya, why did you not go?
swing? Mom, please, can I go on the swing?
Yeah, if you want to. Maya, why did you not go on the slide?
Because she was too scared.
It's too scary. You want to go on the swing then?
Mommy, please, can I go on the swing, please?
Yeah.
I want to go on the swing.
All right then. Go.
Ramsey. Oh, baby. The way, love me nice and slow. They make me ask for more, wanting more, needing more, demanding right. Can I get a pin to your Blackberry? Can I get a pin to your black? Sex is so good you'll never leave, never leave, never leave. You can be my bride. We can, that's all. Baby, take my hand.
Look at that one. This is your size, JD. Maya, you okay there? Just Maya, yeah? What? I can see you. So this is your size. Have you seen it? Ooh, look at Maya. She finally overcome her fear and she can do it by herself.
Mama,
JD, you have to wait.
go.
Whoa. Maya, well done. It's not scary anymore, is it?
Mommy,
Yeah?
I'm going to work with my best friend.
You guys should burn all the calories, okay?
Mama,
Yes.
go.
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 Go, okay.
Daddy.
There we go. Jordan. Oh, that was not Jordan. That was Jordan. Jaden, this way. So I forgot to bring the memory card. The camera is with me, but I forgot to bring the memory card. So I thought I'll just use my phone. Jaden just think he's a big man. Anyway, so I brought them out because I haven't been out since yesterday. The last time I was out was on Monday. Well, no, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. I was out in yesterday. Jaden, no, I'm not going that way. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying, but we're here. We're playing outside. Maya, you're really enjoying it now, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, bless you.
Okay.
Auntie, come on.
You're not coming, no, Jay.
Jaden, where do you think you're going? Okay, we'll walk there and you'll see that you can't get there. See this love area you get? You say down. Be careful. Down. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh Lord. How? Be careful, it must not fall down. Just walk past him and go. You all everywhere.
Mommy, do you want to go?
No. Jordan, be careful. Sit down. Never know the words, you know. You know that, oh my God. Oh Lord. There we go. You made it. Oh my God.
Oh, some enemies. I see an enemy. An enemy. No, down.
No, this is up now, not down. He always find a way. Oh my gosh. Be careful. Thank you.
Mommy, I need to go.
You have to wait because Jaden is there.
Sit.
Oh, say thank you.
Look at you. You good boy, Tommy. Well done.
Oh my God, you're helping. Well done, Tommy.
Look at you. Remember when you was a baby?
You did it.
Good boy.
What do you say?
I helped him, Dad.
I know, but look, hey, well done. Good boy. Good boy. Now you get to go down the slide. Come on.
I'm here.
Wait,
Mommy's
you wait.
here.
You wait.
And the final race.
Hurry. Go on.
1, 2,
Yeah.
go! Well done. Thank you.
Hello, vlog.
You're the Uber driver.
Yes.
Where are we going? Oh, sit in the front. Welcome to our Uber.
So we are going. I am thinking.
This place is too tight for me. Yeah, let me sit outside.
So I'm taking my mom.
Okay, should we sing?
Auntie.
Yeah?
It looks like it's night.
Or should we go home with the Uber? Come and sit down. Let's.
Actually.
Yeah, we'll go home after this. Jaden, do you want to come in the Uber? Huh? Yeah, that is coming. Come on. We got one more passenger coming in the Uber. Yeah. And who is going to sing for us? Maya, sing. What song should we sing? Get this girl on the floor of night. You're not letting me go on it anymore.
You want to play with me? Yeah. What do you want? What do you play?
Nobody wants to say so with me.
What do you want? We're playing Pirate Goose. Where? Over there. Pirate Goose. Pirate Goose.
See?
Mommy, can I play with Tom?
Where?
Pirate.
Please stay where I can see you.
Okay.
Maya, you want to go? You want to go? I'm supposed to. I don't know if you. I'm coming, Maya. They've left me. They've gone to play pirate. Oh, Jaden is having the time of his life on that swing. Now he can go on it by himself. Literally, he's just flying off it. But we'll be going back home now because it's getting dark. It's getting dark. You want me to come in your car? Hi, Uber driver. Can you drive me home, please?
Mama.
Yeah?
Everything.
Okay. Just down on Maya's. Hi. Hello, sir. Hi, it's nice to meet you. Shake my hand, no?
Auntie.
You're calling more passenger. We are full already. Enter, I beg you, don't waste my time. Drive and they go ass. Hurry up. Don't call any auntie, coco.
Auntie.
No more aunties. We also let me and you want to enter.
Auntie.
You people should want this Uber driver. Can you hurry up? I need to go. Drive, Oga. Drive this car. Now you come inside. Drive. He's running away. It's running away. No? He's going to auntie. Momo. So what's gonna happen to me now?
Go.
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 Wow. Wow.
I'm walking. Good morning, guys.
Are Are you not supposed to come here and pick your child and go home? Look at you sleeping. Anyway, eh? Okay, oh. You can't kill yourself. Anyway, let's leave him to sleep. Okay, I ate a bowl of Indomie. I think that one is halfway and it's gone. Good night.
To help your distress.
You're not even top hater. Why do you always follow through?
I think they're cute. But yeah.
Look here.
Anne tells me that she doesn't want my pants to go forward that feel overly tacky. I don't see it.
Oh my God, that's good. Thank you. Finally.
Anne tells us that color, rather than for our garments to be complementary to each other, that really should be for me. I don't finish